Hi guys, today we're gonna learn how to increase the volume of your video in TunesKit AceMovi. Go to the upper right panel, click Audio. Besides volume, you can drag the slider to the right to increase it, or you can directly type in the parameters you want in the number box. And also there's an easiest way, that is go to the timeline and move your mouse over the straight horizontal line and then drag it to the top to increase the volume. When you think the video is good enough, click export and save the video to your computer. That's the end of this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.